So hello guys, welcome back to the platform. Today we are going to learn how to install FastAPI, to also install our Swagger UI server and be able to run FastAPI so that we can use it for the development of our application. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to our desktop and then create a folder name, create a new folder and name it any title you wish. So we're going to name it maybe API. Then we'll go to our Visual Studio Code. And inside the Visual Studio Code, we are going to open this folder that we've just created. So you come here, then open the folder. So let's wait a bit for the folder to open. Now come here, go to our desktop and go and select the folder we've just created. The name of the folder is API. So here is it. We'll select this folder and then it will open on our Visual Studio Code. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to this option here and click on these three dotted lines, then go to terminal, then go to new terminal, and then inside the terminal what we are going to do is to install FastAPI. So we'll type in pip, that's pip, install FastAPI, then press enter. So FastAPI is installed. The next thing we are going to do is to install our Swagger UI. So we are going to install Swagger UI. We'll do the same, that is, we come here, then we type pip install, pip install uvcon. We're going to put it in quotation. So pip install, then you open your quote and you do uvcon then you open a square bracket, then you do the standard then close the square bracket and put the quote, then you press enter. So we have also installed the Swagger UI server. Now the next thing we'll do is to go to inside this folder API, we'll create a new file called main.py. So main.py, then press enter. Now inside this our file called main.py, we are going to type in or import some packages from Python, that's from FastAPI, so that we can be able to run FastAPI. But we can go ahead straight to FastAPI website and just copy the code. Instead of typing, you can copy it straight forward and come and paste it inside this main file. But before that, let's select our interpreter here. This is the recommended one, so we select that one. So we go to our browser, that is FastAPI. So inside the browser, you can see we are going to, this is the how to create the main.py file. So we are going to copy this code from FastAPI site, come here, Click on copy. We can type it manually, but it will be waste of time. That's why we are just copying it straight forward. So you go back to a Visual Studio, then you come and paste it here. Control plus V, then it's done. Now for us to run this fast API, we'll come back here inside the terminal, and we are going to do uvcon uvcon, then main, then column up. Uvcon main column up. Then you do -2, that's 2 minus, then you type in reload. So when you are done typing, you press enter. So you can see it has been reloaded. So now we are we have run fast API. You can see that here they say application setup complete. So for us to see this hello world that we need, it will return hello world. So for us to see it here, you come here, you can see there's a link here. You follow the link, you click on the link, then it will run the code. You can see here hello world. So this is how you set up your fast API to install and be able to run it to see the hello world so that you can use it in your app development. I hope you've learned something new. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. Thank you for coming to this platform today, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.